Greetings everyone, this is Regina Cook, and this is my digital story / tutorial about the impact of rhetoric. In ancient times, there was no written word formed for people to learn. All information was communicated orally, through speech, or allegory, storytelling. These were amazing times, whereas infrastructure, architecture, government, and populace was all being expanded. However, communication was still done of majority in an oral fashion. So let's think about this. How then would someone be able to communicate in a persuasive manner? So the study of rhetoric has 5 canons that are foundational to it. Invention, how we develop our argument or develop our persuasive speech. Arrangement, how we organize that information for maximum impact. Memory, learning and practicing in order to deliver well and effectively and initiate the call to action. We embed styling, selective word choices, figures of speech, metaphors, hyperboles as an example. And then of course our actual delivery, our body language and gestures, our pronunciation, even our tone. So Socrates was one of our main, quote, characters during this time, and the Socratic method has been long studied. This means, oh my goodness, you must call to examine one's values and principles, and are they living morally how one should live? Then we have Aristotle, of course, who is going to give nothing more than empirical evidence and facts in his argument and his debate. He disagreed very much with the Socratic method. Finally, Plato was actually a student of Socrates. He believed truth and persuasion and conviction was attained through careful questioning and cross-examination. This is very much a premise of our legal system today, debates, arguments, courtrooms, etc. A result, rockstar speeches. If you invent for the call to action and you arrange for maximum impact and select words and figures of speech to match the style of your invention, learn and practice, know who your audience is, you are the subject matter expert, and deliver with vigor, match with tone, use gestures just as in this example for a thank you speech that was prepared after receiving an award.